Welcome to Autosheet. In last video, we have learned about how to get PDF file from file name. So in this video, we will see how you can get PNG file and thumbnail also. So let me show you a quick example how it will look like and how it will work. So you just need to enter your file name and you'll automatically get your files. So sorry, it will be file one. It's like file one. So enter file one, and here you can see you'll get PDF file, PNG file, and thumbnail also. And even it's like it will resize it when you get a thumbnail so that you can get it nicely. So let me resize it under file one. See, you get this beautiful thing. So let me tell you how you can do this. So for this, you have to click on this extensions, click on app scripts. So I already made some scripts, so let me delete this scripts. Okay, so we'll make for okay we already made for PDF. So right now I'll show you PDF is same as PNG, so you don't need to do much stuff. So you can see the codes, this code, and we're going to make it for PNG, and then I'll show you how you can get thumbnail from it. PNG, so you'll get this default function when you create it. So let me give this name, update PDF. You have to name this function, and then you have to select your sheet also. So for this, you type const sheet spreadsheet app, get active spreadsheet, sorry, get sheet by name, or sheet name is sheet 1. You can type your sheet name. We have to okay, so it will detect the last, it will we will give the const last row. It will help us to get to loop through all the rows, and it will detect if it's available, like it will search for file names through each row and will get data for each row if it's available. Now we have to define the folder link, like a folder link, so it will get it by ID. So let me first, you have to get const folder drive app dot get folder by ID. So I told you how you can get the ID, folder ID. Let me tell you again. So you come to this folder, see we have PNG file and the PDF file. So what you have to do, you have to copy the link of this folder, not the file link. It's a folder link, because we are getting this by we'll get it by file name only. We don't need to paste the file links again and again. We just need folder ID. So clear it from here and this. So this will become your folder ID. You define the folder ID also. So it should stop when you get the last row with data. So for this you have to give it will loop through all the rows. So you have to give the for that row last row. You have to define the file name. So you have to define the cell. Okay, so for this const file name dot get range. So raw. So we know like it's in first column. Our file name will be in first column. So let's type one get value, and we have to define our PDF cell. So I'll just type const. I'll type cell, but you should try. Okay, we'll define it as PDF cell. Okay, we'll just type cell for right now for cell so that I can tell you the thumbnail also. Sheet dot get range row. So it's in third column. So we write like this. If there is a, if the cell is empty, so it will give us a link. Okay, so for this you have to if file name file name. Okay, so cell dot get value. Okay, so we are going to call a second helper function, which we will create a little later. Find file by name. So it will you can get a PNG file by file name. So first you have to define this const file URL by name. Okay, so now you have to use um, you have to give the file name, but you have to use one like a one sign, which you can get it from here. Like let me tell you which. Okay, so first let me define this. So it should be like this: file name dot PNG folder. Remember, this is not inverted comma. It's you have to this one. You have to press this key. Okay, so let me after this you have to if a matching file is found, insert hyperlink formula into the cell. So we have to give the hyperlink formula. So for this, if file URL cell dot set formula, again you have to use this hyperlink. PNG. Okay, so PNG file. Then this thing. Okay, so now you have to give the helper function. So which it will be like a helper function. It will be same as this. Okay, let me copy it, and so it will like function file name folder first files folder dot get. Okay, files by name. Okay, it's name. Okay, so now return files dot has next dot next dot get URL. It's not, if it's not, then null. Oh, I made a mistake. Oh, sorry. Null. It should work now. So let's recheck. Okay, so see, it's working. It's working now. You'll see, like, because we already have this triggers, so that's why it's working. But let me tell you, let me just delete this triggers. Okay, so I have deleted this. Okay, so right now it won't work automatically. Shouldn't work automatically. Okay, so it's for PDF. Sorry, we're working on PNG. So let me clear this also. So, okay, so it won't work until unless we run it. So it's for minion. So I have made one mistake here. So you have to, use comma here. So if I try to rerun it, okay, it's working. See, okay. So but we want it. So let me tell you how you can make it automatic. So for this, you have need to, here you have to press E. You have to type E also. Save it. Then you have to in triggers. You go to triggers. Add triggers. Get PNG, link, on edit, save. you may you may need to get authentication. I already did, so that's why it didn't ask me for this. But once you are done with this, it should work now. See, clear everything. Right now, if I type file1 with PDF file and PNG file also, I'm not getting thumbnail file because I have to type. I cleared the code and I have to remake the code again. So I'll make it for you. So now I'll tell you how you can make for thumbnail. So for this, it's similar to this code also, PNG code too. So in PDF and PNG, we have just changed this PDF. We used PNG and PNG file and the PDF file. So right now, we want for uh, for thumbnail, so we are going to make a copy of it, or you can just copy it the thumbnail, and what you have to do, you have to clear this thing from where you have to clear it from here. So here the fourth cell, and we call it thumbnail cell. Okay, thumbnail, or you can call it T cell. Okay, let's call it T cell. Now you have to do yeah, the code will change from here, const file url find. Okay, file by name, it will be also same. So file name folder. Okay, okay, check if the valid url was found, or if it's found, then it will insert thumbnail in that cell. So for this, you have to type if file url thumbnail, sorry, it's T cell, no? So if T cell dot set formula, the same thing that I told you, you have to choose this button. You're not an inverted comma. Image, it will be capital. $sign file url, and now we'll use now for this setup size. Sheet, okay, set raw height. So I told you, and like it will adjust it so that you can see thumbnail more clearly, so you have to use this. Okay, okay, now you need an helper function. As I told you, the function would be same as this. mm, this one. First files, then we get files by name. Okay, if files has next dot next. Okay, so now return http slash drive dot google dot com slash thumbnail id $sign dot get id return not. Okay, so our code is completed. So let's. So I made a few mistakes here in this code. For example, this it's capital F folder, and I made a mistake in here also. It's not a function, so it should be small. Next, so we will run it. See it. Okay, it's working. So we run it. It will. You will get immediately. So we will going to set up this again. So go to triggers, this icon. Oh, sorry, we haven't defined this function. So we should call this function update thumbnail. Now we'll set up this update thumbnail on edit, save. Okay, so test this. We first clear this, and we'll see how it will work. So type file1. Okay, see, everything is working. So this is how you can set up anything. So even we can make one more thing. Let me tell you how you can make this for PDF also. You go to editor. Okay, now copy this, make a copy of it for PDF thumbnail. Okay, PDF thumbnail. Rename it PDF thumbnail. Okay, this would be column column 5. Okay, okay, so here you just need to type PDF. Okay, so see what will happen. Add triggers, PDF thumbnail on edit. Okay, so right now we're going to set up PDF thumbnail. so then I made a mistake. Okay, sorry. Okay, so you have to, to make sure it won't, you won't get any problem. We will just edit this thing, this function. So it's be find by names, okay? So we can run it. You see, it will work. So if I clear this, sorry, clear everything, so type file one. So see, we'll get PNG thumbnail and PDF thumbnail. Just resize it so you can see it. Okay, so it's thumbnail, so it won't. Actually, we already set up it now. So you have to, if you want to increase its size, you have to do it from here. Exactly. So you can increase size its size. So let's say I'll say 300, 300, 300, 300. So if I rerun it, see, it's more visible. So this is how you can use this function. This is quite helpful to get the idea of, and it's downloadable link actually, and you can get thumbnail from here. So thanks for watching this video. I hope it will help you. If you need any help related to Google Sheet automation or app script, you can contact me. Link in the description. Thank you so much.